Let's recap what we learned in this lesson. Let's even recap the chromatic scale. So if this is tone C, and we know there is 12 tones in the music, that's all that is, and we take every tone one after each other, we create a chromatic scale. Let's do it for the C tone. And from this scale, we create a major diatonic scale. You know, probably you know that the C's of scale, that's all the white keys on the piano. This is the octave. And it's repeated several times. How did we create this scale? Well, there is certain distance between each of the tones. The smallest distance from tone to tone, it's a half step. So from the white key to the black key, it's a half step. From the black key to the white key, it's another half step. When there is no black key, and then we go from white to white, that's also half step. That place occurs twice on the keyboard. Then I was really putting attention on the numbers. So we give to the tones numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we remember that between 3 and 4 and 7 and 1, it's just small step or no distance, you could say. That's this place if we are in the key of C. While if we go over the black key, that's a whole step, because half step and half step gives a whole step. So if we go from number 1 till 2, it's a whole step. So we skip a note, we skip this black key, and we have number 1, number 2, C, D. From 2 to 3, it's a whole step. So we skip a note, we do half step, whole step. 1, 2, 3. From 3 till 4, it's only half step. Because we don't have a black key, the half step, it's this. From 4 till 5, it's a whole step. From 5 till 6, it's a whole step. From 6 till 7, it's a whole step. And from 7 till 1, it's again only half step. Now, in the key of C on piano, it's easy. You just take the white keys. It's easy to see. But let's try other scale and practice more of the distances. So, for example, we take the tone E and we create a major scale for it. We need to keep the distance between 3 and 4 and 7 and 1, only half step. So we go on counting. 1 till 2, it's whole step. But here, we don't have black keys, so that's small distance, that's only half step. So we need to add another half step to it. So we go 1 and whole step, it's 2. From 2 till 3, it's a whole step. If we are at the black key, down to the white key, it's a half step, and up to the black key, it's another half step. Half and half, it's a whole. So from here to here, it's a whole step. So we go 1 till 2, it's whole step. 2 till 3, it's whole step. And from 3 till 4, it's only half step. From 4 till 5, it's a whole step. So this is a half, this is a half. So this is a whole step. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from 5 till 6, again, we have no black key, so that's a half step. But the distance from 5th till 6th tone, it's a whole step. So we need to take that black key up. 5, 6. From 6 till 7, it's a whole step. Half step and half step, it's a whole step. And from 7 till 1, it's a half step. So play the scale all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. If you have the chromatic scale for E, you go E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. Like this you can create major scale for any tone. You just pick the tone. Let's pick, for example, B. You become aware of the chromatic scale. And then you do the interval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. The scale degrees. 1, whole step 2, another whole step 3, half step 4, whole step 5, whole step 6, whole step 7, and half step 1. This becomes foundation for creating chords.